In a Stella draped in Gucci fellas, pull up on you off the record. Saw the new but can't.
What's going on, everybody? In today's video, I'm gonna go over 5 tips and 5 tricks on what to look out for when you're shopping on Offerup so that you don't get scammed. As a part-time reseller on the internet, I'm always looking for deals on the Offerup, on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, you name it. So I'm always coming across scammers. So these tricks I see on a daily basis, passing them on to you so that you don't get scammed as well. So without further ado, let's just get into number 1. Number 1 is going to be the obvious, but the offer is too good to be true. If you're looking for a 2020 MacBook on Offerup or any secondhand app marketplace, it is not going to be $100 or $200. I'm sorry. Whatever the description says, whatever reason they give, it is not going to be $200 or $300. And sometimes they price it a little bit lower. So let's say you're looking for a 2020 MacBook with the touch bar. If it's going to be $800 to $1,000, they're going to price it at $400 because it's not that low, and it's something that you might consider to be real. But as we keep going on to the other steps, all this combined is going to show you that this is definitely a scam and this is not true. So please look out for that. If the offer is too good to be true, it probably and most likely is. Number 2 is that they want you to contact them outside of Offerup. Now, the number one reason you shouldn't do this just because of anything is if you contact someone outside of text, if you contact somebody outside of Offerup through text or email, Offerup will not give you any buyer protection when it comes to fraud or anything like that. So yes, Offerup is a buyer-seller meetups and marketplace sort of thing, but you can also ship things through there. So if there's any problems with shipping or any problems with, if you have any fraud case whatsoever, if none of that is if you have no conversations through the Offerup messaging app, they will not give you any buyer protection because they have no way of proving what you're saying or what they're saying is right or wrong. So please just keep everything, any messages, any contact information, just keep it through the Offerup messaging system and platform just to give you buyer protection and peace of mind. Do not contact someone outside of Offerup through text or email or anything like that. Just for the simple fact that they might sway you and say things that maybe will get you to do something that you probably don't want to do. So please keep everything inside. If they have their number listed in the listing or in the description, do not contact them. That is an easy way for you to get trapped into something you don't want to be trapped in. So please don't do it. If they want to contact you outside of the platform, do not do it. Number 3 is a big one, and this happens to people almost every day, but they only accept Cash App or PayPal. Now, like I said in number 2, none of the buyer protection will be given to you if you make a transaction through Cash App or PayPal through PayPal Friends and Family. None of that is Offerup's problem really. If you don't do it through their platform. Easiest way for scammers to get money out of you is if they tell you to Cash App or PayPal through family and friends. Now, one of the reasons I will give you one little side tip trick thing is that a lot of the times in the description they'll say only accept PayPal because Offerup shipping is ridiculous or Offerup's too many taxes. That is a go-to reason that they tend to go to, but that is a lie. It's not that bad for Offerup, but PayPal, Cash App, WhatsApp, or Snapcash, Apple Pay. Well, Apple Pay is different, but Snapcash, any of those that is not through the Offerup platform, please do not do it. They will not give you your money back. They will not hit refund. There's people who are just literally out thousands of dollars every day because they send it through Cash App expecting them to get something in the mail or expecting them to meet up with them, and it just doesn't happen. I'm sorry. Do not be this person. Only contact them and pay through the Offerup platform so that at the very least you can get buyer protection and you do not get scammed and any money taken from you. Number 4 is kind of something that I don't know a lot of people know of. For me, it's a telltale sign that they're probably a scammer. Their profile was made in the month that you're currently in. Now, when I say this, I mean they only have. If you go to their profile, the seller's profile, and it says joined, let's just say July, because we're in July, joined July of 2020. Scammers are always creating profiles and fake accounts every day, all month, all day. That's what they do. That's how they make their money. So if they only have one post or two posts of one thing and they only joined a month ago. For instance, so if we're in June, we're back in June a month ago, and they have a picture, they only have one item up for sale, and it was posted a month ago, and they joined a month ago, and they have nothing else, that is a telltale sign that they're most likely a scammer, and that they've usually just moved on to the next account because they got either no hits on the item that they were selling, or they just they're just monitoring millions of different accounts. So that's just one. So if you contact them, it's an automated system that goes to them, and they give you the whole spiel of contact me through this number, email me here so I can send you payment. And that's pretty much a telltale sign. Now, it's not 100% the case. I would say like it's 96, 97%, because some people are barely discovering Offerup, and especially right now during the pandemic, a lot of people are low on funds right now, so they're starting to sell stuff more and more and more. Like I said, it's not 100% the case, especially right now. But if they joined the same month that you're in, they don't have a photo, or look, a lot of times they use generic photos from the internet or Facebook that they find. So it's an easy trap to fall in as well, that they just use generic pictures and they just post them, and they make you think that they're real people, but they're actually not. So please look out for the people, the sellers that have joined the same month and they don't have any verification. Like, Offer does a very good job of going through a lot of verification methods for the sellers, so that you can feel comfortable buying something from them. If they only have a confirmed email or confirmed number, those are the easiest things to fake, or make fake accounts for. So be weary of the people who just made profiles that same day, or they only have one name. If people are just discovering Offerup, Facebook will get them to join through Facebook, and they have first and last name, or join through you. All these verification methods, so please just be careful on that. I don't want anybody to get scammed. It's just something that I've seen a lot, that a lot of people just don't notice. And it's easy to fall into that trap, especially when it looks like they're a real person because it's a generic picture, but it's not, and it is what it is. So number 5, it's super simple, but it's something easy to look out for. They have no photo, they have one name, no ratings, one item for sale. It's kind of, if you're selling things, it is possible to just have one thing, but they have no picture, one name. It's just, if they have one confirmed email or only one confirmed number, it's just super easy to tell that they're probably going to scam you. And here's the thing, if you don't know, after all these tips, if you don't know they're a scammer or not, just contact them through the platform. Just say, hey, is this available? And act like you're a buyer. If any of these methods or anything, if any of these tips or tricks that I'm telling you, if they fall into that category, it's obviously going to be a scam. All of these coupled with, if you go through these steps and then you still don't know, when all else fails, just contact them. And then if any of these you see that they did, whether they're too good to be true, they want you to contact them, or they want you to cash app, it's obviously a scammer. So please just be careful out there. It is a scary place buying on Offerup, Letgo, and all that stuff, but it's a great place to get secondhand things for cheap and super great prices. And you're, at the very least, you're helping somebody else out because they just want to get rid of it. You get something nice. But yeah, those are just some tips and tricks to look out for when you're shopping on Offerup. A lot of people are very scared, with good reason, for Offerup and Letgo. But once you get used to it and once you know what to look out for, it's a great place to look for stuff and find some cool things, and of course get some great prices on it. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Like I said, I'm a part-time reseller. I buy things and flip them on sites like eBay, Offerup, Facebook Marketplace, all of that. So if that sounds like something that interests you, please look at my other videos. Please hit subscribe if you enjoyed them. If you find any value in this video, please hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.
Yo. In a Stella draped in Gucci fellas, pull up on you off the record. Saw the new but can't respect it. Life made me too real for checking. Spent like all my life.